Welcome to the Reserve at Green Valley Ranch. How would you like to wake up in a community that feels like a vacation every day, designed for active adults who like to live life to the fullest? This right here is the Farmhouse, a 10,000 square foot clubhouse for the community, featuring a fitness studio, a movement room, as well as a golf simulator. Check out this resort style pool with so many things to do outside. You've got a pickleball court, bocce ball, fire pit, and a hot tub. So many things to enjoy outdoors. There's a full-time lifestyle director curating cooking demos, barbecues, and clubs, so you'll never run out of things to do. It's 1 mile from the Green Valley Ranch golf course, a short drive to DIA, plus close to major highways. This ranch-style home is nearly new, sits on a premium lot, and backs up to parks, trails for ultimate privacy. The best part is it's completely move-in ready.